Hello YouTube, Sam here from youtube.com/onlivegamer for the new Boston, and in this tutorial we're going to be taking another look at enumerations. So let's go ahead and open up the project from last time. It is the sports analyzer that has the two list boxes and analyze sport. So what we're going to learn in this tutorial is how to check and see if a certain value is defined in an enumeration. So the way we do this is, let's come out here to button analyze click, and we're going to add some code here. So we're going to declare a Boolean value up here. So we'll just type dim is defined bool as Boolean, and we'll go ahead and set that equal to false. And now what we're going to do is, let's say below this one, we're going to show a message box and see if a certain enumeration value is defined. So the way we do this is we're going to type well, instead of assigning it down there, let's go ahead and assign it up here. So IsDefined bool as Boolean, and we'll set that equal to system, the system namespace, dot enum, the enumeration class, dot IsDefined. Now IsDefined will take two arguments. So the first one is the enumeration and the enumeration type. So what we're going to do is we're going to type get type. So it returns the system.type object from the specified type name. So we're just going to get the type of sports. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put a value in. So check to see if this value is defined. So we'll just type in baseball. And so this should give us a value of true. So we'll just type message box dot show is defined bool dot to string. Okay, so now if we go ahead and run this, here is our program. Let's go ahead and pick a sport here. We'll pick basketball. Click analyze sport, and it says true. Let's see. Oh no, wait, hold on. Let's pick baseball, and it's true. Yeah. So sorry about that. It'll say true no matter which one you select, because it's not checking what we've selected there. So basically what it does is the system namespace.enum.isDefined, so it's the function is defined, or the method. We pass the type of the sports enumeration into it by using getType, and then we check to see if baseball is defined. Now if we do something like, let's do soccer. So if we check to see if soccer is defined, we can go ahead and pick anything in here. It'll still give us the same answer each time. Click analyze sport, and it gives us a value of false, because soccer is not part of our enumeration. So this is very simple. You may not find a need for it at the moment, but you probably will later on. So it's a good thing to know, and every time you learn something, even if you're not going to use it right away, it's always good to know it in case you need it. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next tutorial.